Hey guys, it's me. So I wanted to talk about a tip that can help improve your YouTube video quality, especially if your video quality, if your video resolution is under or equal to 1080p. It's really helpful. Basically, the straight away tip is do not render your videos in 1080p. If you have a 1080p video that you want to render it in 1080p, don't do that. Just render your 1080p video in 1440p. It's just, let me just explain. Here I have two videos. One has been rendered at 1440p and another one has been rendered in 1080p. And if you see here in stats and here in codecs, you can see that both the videos use different codecs for compression, right? Basically, both of them have different compression, which results in different quality performance. And I have noticed here, so here this is my video, and the video is in 1080p, but I upscaled and rendered it using Vegas in 1440p with the same scale, which is 16:9. And if you see here, the right side is the 1080p HD quality, the left side is 1440p video, but I am watching this in 1080p. So both of them should look same, but because both of them have different compression, the one which was rendered in 1080p looked worse than the one which was rendered in 1440p, even though both the videos are supposed to be the same. You can see here clearly, there's in Sky, if you see, there's a lot more noise due to compression compared to the 1440p one. The brightness kind of changes too, and the road also looks more fuzzy and more compressed compared to this one. It's relatively more nice, the 1440p version. So the basic tip is render all your videos above 1080p. I suggest 1440p since that's the closest to 1080p after 1080p. And if you want to render a single video, if you're that person, I would suggest you use some softwares to which can directly allow you to change the quality, the resolution. What I do is just basically open Vegas, and since I edit my videos in Vegas, I render that video in 1440p. I don't really care about the fact that the video is 1080p, the clips are 1080p, but the project would be 1440p. That it doesn't really make much difference if your if your resolution is 1080p. Anyway, but that's it. That's the only tip. I'll see you guys later.